Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you go 24 hours without eating? The results might surprise you. Let's start with the basics. A 24-hour fast, also known as a full-day fast, means you avoid food for an entire day while still drinking water. It's a powerful reset for your body and mind. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds, and the benefits are totally worth it. Here's what happens to your body when you fast for 24 hours. Boosts fat burning. During fasting, your body switches from burning glucose to burning fat for energy. This is called ketosis, and it's a great way to shed stubborn belly fat. Improves insulin sensitivity. Fasting helps your cells respond better to insulin, which lowers blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of diabetes. Enhances mental clarity. Fasting promotes the production of brain-boosting molecules, giving you better focus and mental sharpness. Supports cellular repair. Your body activates autophagy, a natural process where cells clean out damaged parts, boosting longevity and overall health. Reduces inflammation. Fasting decreases inflammation markers, which can improve joint pain and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Promotes digestive rest. By taking a break from food, your digestive system gets a reset, improving gut health and nutrient absorption. These benefits aren't just theoretical, they've been proven in numerous studies and real-life experiences. Ready to try it yourself? Here's how you can start. Choose a day when you're less physically active. Stay hydrated with water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Avoid heavy meals before and after fasting. Stick to light, nutrient-dense foods. Listen to your body. If you feel lightheaded, break your fast early. 24-hour fasting is a simple, free, and effective way to improve your health, burn fat, and feel amazing. If you've never tried it before, now is the time.